Wenting here, I'm the creator of Typogram, here to provide you a must-learn graphic design trick to impress people with your typography. Good design can help people understand faster. Zoom here means zooming in and zooming out, so we are gonna aid people understanding that by swapping the letter O's counter with plus and minus icon. So select the shape, click on swap with icon, and then search for a plus icon, hopefully a icon that is rounded. And there you go, we have zoom. It's more self-explanatory here. Same with pen. We're going to swap the counter of the A with a move icon, the panning icon that we will see when we're actually panning the canvas. And there we have it. Pan and zoom, more self-explanatory. There is a graphic design term for this, which is typogram. A type that is also a graph, a picture, explaining what the word means. I welcome you to check out Typogram today.